Okay, so we're going to move on to the Facebook video ad, which is the 1200 by 628. So if we go into Bannersnack and do create new, we'll just do single design, and then we can go, I think it's actually over here, so video ad 1200 by 628. You can start from a blank. And a lot of these are actually included in the free plan, I think probably because it's new. The thing is I don't think you can upload your own videos in here, which is kind of a bummer. So, like, if I can find one that seems related to, what was I going to do for my video ad? Oh, customer service, which might be relatively easy. Maybe, I don't know, to do. Let me keep looking. Okay, so we're gonna, I think I'm just gonna go with this one. You can click on it and it'll preview it for you. So start from this, and then I wonder if we click on this, if we can replace so we could do stock videos. You know, maybe I could find something that looks a little bit customer service-y. I don't know if I can upload my own. This might work because it's like lawn and garden stuff. I might have to change the theme of my ad to, if I can't. But like, let's see if we can upload a video, an MP4 video. So if I go to, let's see, Pexels, let's say, and look up, let's see, that's right there, customer service. And then maybe look up videos. Something that might not look super, I don't know if I'm even going to be able to do this. They don't have a lot of salon stuff here. Let me keep looking. So I was able to find this butterfly on these flowers, and I think that that's maybe going to work. So I'm just going to copy it. It's going to go into my downloads. I think it's an MP4 file, which is good, but I am not sure if the free version of Bannersnack will even let me upload it. So for my downloads, why is this? Oh, I need to put it in list. Okay, well, it's looking like it might let me do it. Plus or team plan, so I guess I can't do that. Just like I thought. So we'll go into videos and try and find something that looks something like, maybe this one will work. I don't know if I can do customer service. I could look it up and see if they have any good videos in here. Oh, they're pretty similar to what was in Pexels, honestly. I think that's maybe where they get their stuff. You can kind of preview things when you are hovering over it, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to have much luck with this, so I'm going to have to change the angle of my ad to be more still lawn and garden-y, I guess, which is fine. I just don't want to make you guys pay 18 bucks for something that I think I'll go with this one. Oops. Okay, so I accidentally brought it in twice, but we can I not just click on that and place it? No. Okay, I guess not. So I'll just delete those, kind of size this up a little bit, I think, so that it fits, and then I'll move it over, and then I can bring the position. I should be able to position it I might put it on loop. You can change the sound. You can do a sound only on rollover. So we can go into layer, and this is where we can position it to go underneath things. You can also obviously grab it in the layers panel. Transition. Oh, what did I just do there? Okay, this is actually okay because it opened up the player. So if I can move this over a little bit so it's a little bit better aligned in here. Maybe move this over just a smidge. And then I can bring my logo in and get everything kind of looking the way I want it to. So if I delete this and go into my elements, my uploads, North 40, bring that in, size that down. We can put a drop shadow too on this shape. So drop shadow, yes, edit. Luckily it did save the recently used colors. Maybe we'll change this around so that it's a little bit, and then take the blur off. And then bring the opacity up because I think it was saving some of the settings from last time I did this. Maybe something like that. And maybe I'll bring it like that maybe. And then, so once that's there like that, we'll change this color to match some of the other colors that we were doing. I might just keep this get ready for, and then our new perennials, which are, yeah, those are cool. I like perennials. And I don't know if I can change the color of this easily. Okay, looks like I can. I don't know. Well, maybe we'll just change it to this chartreuse again. And then I don't know, let's see, I kind of want to match my, maybe it's two ends. I might bring this down a little bit. Bring this down just a smidge, and then maybe just grab everything and nudge it down. So if I play the ad, one thing that's not working very well, I wonder if this should be online. Let's see. Let's play that again. So that doesn't look good on the side there. So let's go back. And I think it's because this shape slides in. Where is that? It slides in from the side, which, since this doesn't cover the whole canvas, looks a little goofy. So maybe I'll just take that off. And then we'll play again here. Oh, I thought I changed that. I might need to, let's see. Oh, here. No, it's, okay. This shape needs to come all the way to the front. Okay. So it's always there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So, and then with the logo itself, where's that at? Is it this one? Where's the logo at? Oh, is it this one? Why can't I grab it? Oh, here we go. So I'm just going to size it down just a little bit. Everything is a little bit, everything is a little bit too big. So I'm just going to bring it all down in size. Maybe try to get this on one line. And it is in rubato, which is good, actually. For a minute there, I couldn't remember what the font was that I used. So, and if I push Shift on my keyboard and select all three of these things, I should be able to align these things down the center. Oh, they already are pretty well aligned. And then I can kind of maybe just kind of dial this in a little bit more. I feel like this just needs a little bit more help. Okay, so there's that. There's the Facebook ad, basically from start to finish. I don't think this embed code thing is really working. It doesn't let us do it on the video ads anyway. Oh yeah, and let's name it North 40 perennial garden. I think it's 1200 by 628. Is that correct? I might have to refer to. Yep. Instead of doing a customer service, I did the perennial themed ad because I couldn't find any good customer service images, but this rose is pretty cool, so it ended up working out okay. And then it looks like all of our changes are saved here. So it's on loop count of once. You can change that if you want. I think I'll just keep it like that. We can go to workspace, and it should be in here. If I go to edit, we should be able to see. Okay, it doesn't look quite right. Oh, there we go. That looks better. So if I want to copy the share link here, that's what you need to provide to me in Brightspace, along with the other link codes of all of your other 5 ads that you end up doing. And then next up, I'll do a video for the carousel ad.